Okay, in this video I'm going to show you how to complete the lab 6 IU5, the second part, which is implementing the recommender. Okay, for the first step, we're going to create a new experiment. Okay, so I name this as Part2A, yeah, which is the recommender. Okay, so we're going to take from the database movie sampling. Okay, movie sampling. This one is the name of the experiment. Search for the movie rating dataset. Yeah, drag into the blank canvas, and then partition and sample. We only take some portion of the data sampling. Then we're going to create the movie sample database. Okay, so more or less it's like this. Movie rating, IMDb movie titles, and then partition and sample, join, and then select column, then remove duplicate row. So we're going to create something like this. Yeah. So let's find the movie rating and IMDb movie title first. Movie rating, and then IMDb movie titles. Okay, so here we're going to partition the data. Okay, after that take this here, and then in the partitions we're going to configure with this setting. Sampling 0.05 1 2 3 false. Sampling 0.05 1 2 3. Okay, yeah, then after that join the data. Okay, so by the column the name is the movie ID, yeah, from the left and right, and then using the inner join, check, and then check. Okay, yep, movie ID, and then on the right also movie ID. Okay, inner join, both check. Yeah. Okay, then after that continue with the select column and remove duplicate row. Then duplicate row. Yeah. Okay, so in the select column, connect the output join data, and then configure to select only the movie ID and movie name, and then remove duplicate in the select column. Movie ID and movie name column to retain the first duplicate. Yeah. Okay, so we only select the movie ID and movie name. Okay, this one, and then this one. Okay, remove duplicate row. Movie ID and also the movie name. Okay, so save, after that run. Okay, so exactly like this. And then when the experiment has finished, right click the output partition sample, then save the dataset as a movie sample. Okay, and then after that the description is 5% of the sample movie. Right click the output of the remove duplicate row, click save a dataset, and set as a IMDb sample. Okay, yeah, so we're going to create the two sample database dataset. Okay, so let's do it. So here, right click, yeah, save as dataset. So the name is movie sample. Okay, yep, this is the one. And then after the remove duplicate row, we name it as the IMDb sample. Okay, so we have created the two dataset, the movie sample and also the IMDb sample. Okay, then after that prepare the data. So create again the new movie recommendation. Okay, so create a new one. Okay, then here we're going to create the experiment, and it's like this. Yeah, movie sample, edit metadata, select column, remove duplicate row. Movie sample. Okay, edit metadata, select column, remove duplicate row. Remove duplicate row. Okay, so follow this example. Okay, then let's do here in the setting. Okay, configure the yeah, movie recommendation, select for the edit metadata, and then after that in the edit meta module, ensure the rating column is of integer type, required match POC recommender module. Okay, so yep, connect the output of the movie sample to the dataset in the edit metadata. Okay, rating column is integer type as required by matchPOC. Yeah, okay, in the edit metadata. So ensure the rating column is integer. Okay, yep, so data type change to the integer in the this edit metadata. Yeah, the column is the rating. Okay, after that add select column, and then configure the column selector, yeah, to allow duplicate and preserve. Select the following column, yeah, user ID, movie ID, rating. Okay. Then in the remove duplicate row, yeah, this don't forget, yeah, this need to be checked, yeah. So yeah, the reason why, because the duplicate are common, yeah, in rating data. This duplicate should be removed to prevent them for biasing the result of the recommendation. So that's why we remove the duplicate row, yeah. User ID, movie ID, retain the first duplicate. Okay, so save, then run. While running, we move to the save and run the experiment, and then after that visualize, check the output 11374 and a 3 column 11374, yeah. Yeah, 11374 and 3 columns, correct, yeah. Okay, then we continue. Train and score recommender. Okay, so I'll stop this first, then after that I will continue in the next video for the training and scoring the recommender.